Greetings of the day. Myself, Megha Rajkumar Patil, a proud third year student of Bharati Vidyapit College of Hotel and Tourism Management Study. As a previous assignment, today I'll be showing you the UNESCO World Heritage Sites of Iran. So let's start. The historical tower of Gonbadi Qabas is one of the outstanding architectures of the Islamic era dating back to the 4th century AD. The tower is the tallest brick tower in the world, which has been constructed on a hill with a height of 15 meters above the ground level in 375 Solar Hijri at the time of Qabbas ibn Bushambe. Sheikh Safi al-Din Khanega and Shrine Assembly. It is located in Ardabil, Iran. It is the mausoleum of Sheikh Safi al-Din Ardabili, the ancestor of Safavid kings. Masjid Jam of Isfahan, the most important and among the earliest religious building in Iran. The mosque is one of the largest and the most mysterious mosque in the Muslim world. The current facade of mosque is related to Seljuk era. However, the important development have been done under Safavid and the Buyid dynasty. Tabriz Historical Badar Complex, the largest enclosed complex in Iran and anywhere around the world, most important and completed social organization. The complex, including many houses for local and non-local traders, is the masterpiece of Iranian architecture. Sultaneh Historical Dome, the largest brick dome in the world, was built commissioned by Sultaneh Muhammad Khordabinde in Sultaneh city. It is stated that the Sultaneh skylight windows are similar to the sun clock, which has been used for regional issues. Historical city of Yazd, ancient region dated back with several 2,000 years ago, historically considered as the one of the most extensive, systematic and original historical area of Iran and the second largest residential adobe area of the world. Ancient city of Susa, a place of urban life from the ancient time and one of the most important and glorious settlements in the world, dated back to 4000 BC. It was a major civilization of Mesopotamian Elam city. Tuzhogga Zanbil historical region is an ancient city constructed by Elamite king in the 13th century BC. Ziggurat was an ancient worship place which is located on the hill along the Dez river bank. Walls of temple on which we can see the name of the king and his purpose of establishing the temple.